Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to style lace shoes with step-by-step instructions. I'll be doing this on my Converse because I think this style looks awesome on Converse. First off, stuff a pair of socks down underneath the sneaker tongue. This will make the style pattern come out way more evenly. Then go ahead and grab your lace and place it into the second eyelet down from the top and pull it out about this much to be left at the top. Then bring the lace over into the second eyelet on the other side like this. Pull it all the way through until it creates a nice bar. Now this is going to be the anchor for where your star hangs off of, which you can see here. Then take the same lace, skip an eyelet and go into this one here from underneath. Pull it all the way through. Then bring it back all the way across and into this eyelet here to create another bar-like effect. Straighten it out and make sure it all looks good. Now this can seem a little bit fiddly, but just go slow, follow the steps and pause the video as you need. Then go ahead and bring the lace all the way down and through the very bottom eyelet here, like this, so it'll sit underneath like that. Now we're going to start to see our star pattern forming. Bring this lace across the sneaker tongue and down into the same eyelet here that this other one is in, and pull it all the way through. And you'll see one of the arms of the star starting to come to life. Then take it down to the bottom eyelet on this side and pull it all the way through. Now we're going to take the lace all the way back over and into this eyelet to join this other one here. And as we start pulling it through, you'll see we're getting another part of the star forming, which looks good. Then take it down underneath everything else, a little bit fiddly, but keep going, and then in through the bottom eyelet again here. Now you just might want to stop here and adjust everything and make sure it's all looking nice and straight. I'm going to tuck that little lace away, and it's starting to look really good. Then we're going to take this lace, weave it underneath this one here, so it's just sat under him. Sure it's all straight, and then we're going to hook it over this bit, and this is our little anchor, you see, and you'll see the top part of the star starting to form. Then we're going to take it underneath this lace here, pull it, and you see the star there, then down through the bottom eyelet again here. Pull the lace all the way through, and how awesome is that starting to look? Then what we're going to want to do is take this lace and run it underneath all of the laces. So it comes all the way to the top like that, and tuck it down under this bit of the canvas so you can't see it. Then bring it up through the top eyelet here. And we're going to create this nice crisp bar that you can see here on this one by doing this. And you might be wondering at this point, how do I tie my laces? I've got two loose lace ends here. What you can do is you can simply loop those into a knot. I personally don't mind this, but some might find this a little bit irritating against the side of their foot. And in that case, you can use a little product called lace anchors, which I'll show you now. Now, lace anchors are super easy to use. They eliminate the need for tying and bowing your laces. All you've got to do is feed your lace into your anchor like this. Again, a little bit fiddly, but just take your time. Then loop it down to another hole. And it creates like a little anchor, and then you can just pull it flush with the eyelet there. And do this on each lace. And what this will do is really hold your pattern in place in a sturdy way, and nothing will come loose. I've put a link down below for these lace anchors. Now they're super cheap if you want to pick up some, otherwise just knot your laces, no problem. And this is your final result. Super cool star lace shoes. If you found the info in this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like button for me so it can reach more people. Thank you.